So what's unique about the hand is that we have a motor in each of the individual digits and in the thumb, so which means each digit is individually driven. They have an articulation point here and a second articulation point here.
Each of the digits are tested with power profile, so they're measured for performance and how much power in each digit and how long it takes to move those digits. So there's a quality assurance process that ensures that the digits are performing to function.
So it's not only advanced in the way all the digits are powered, it has also got an articulated thumb where one can vary the position of the thumb movement. So in both those respects, it has been a major step forward.
A small yet powerful motor is contained within each finger, together with one motor in the thumb of the iLim hand. The hand itself is made from a long fiber plastic, which is both robust and lightweight. The fingers articulate and present a full wraparound grip for uneven-shaped objects. The thumb rotates through 110 degrees, which enables the many grip postures that are necessary to achieve a higher level of function. Individual stall detection within each finger enables the digits to be placed into further functional configurations. As a result of the